Okay guys, I'm going to show you guys today how to make white rice. It's very simple. A lot of people is very scared of doing it, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Already I have washed the rice thoroughly, throw that starchy part off, and so I add to that a cup and a half of water. Okay, it's very simple. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add about a teaspoon of butter. You could add whatever kind of butter or margarine you have. I'm going to put a teaspoon in here, and I'm only going to be adding a pinch of salt. Again, everybody know that me don't like too much salt, so I'm just pinch my salt in my white rice. Okay, and then I'm just going to mix that in. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is get a foil paper. Okay, foil paper, when you cook rice and peas and white rice and anything with rice, you just put your foil paper over it. So you put your foil paper on top and you press it down nice, and after you do that, then you get your pot cover and you put on top and squeeze it down, because what you're going to do is trap all the steam from inside of the pot. Nothing will come out, so everything stay right in there, and then you seal down the sides nice and tight. Okay, so I'm not going to be putting this on high. We want this rice to steam and not burn. So what I'm going to do is put it on low medium heat. Alright, that is going to be cooking, I'll say about 30 to 40 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you the finishing of my white rice. See you in a few. Okay, so it's time now to check our rice. Be careful taking off your foil paper. It's nice and shelly, as you can see, and white fluffy rice. From my kitchen to yours, enjoy.